Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the euro against the US dollar. The pair is consolidating near 1.05. Yesterday, weak data on Germany's gross domestic product for the fourth quarter were published. In quarterly and annual terms, the German economy contracted by 0.2%, which may give officials of the European Central Bank a reason to cut the rate further. In this regard, it is worth noting the statements of the head of the Bundesbank, Joachim Nagel, who yesterday said that the regulator will continue to cut interest rates if the rate of growth of consumer prices slows to the target of 2% this year. Pressure on the euro may also be exerted by increased political uncertainty, since after the elections in Germany, no party was able to gain the necessary majority to fully control the parliament. Next, gold. Gold has stabilized after yesterday's decline. U.S. President Donald Trump has confirmed plans to impose a 25% tariff on imports from Canada and Mexico, which will come into effect next week. In addition, the White House plans to impose additional restrictions on Chinese technological developments. In such conditions, demand for safe haven assets, such as government bonds, is growing. In turn, increased demand for bonds reduces their yields, which may provide additional support to gold. Let us remind you that the price of gold and the yield of treasuries have an inverse correlation. According to analysts, the growth of the pair may continue. And finally, dollar against yen. The pair is trading at 149.50. Yesterday, January data on the Corporate Services Price Index were published. In annual terms, they increased by 3% to 3.1%, instead of the expected 2.9%. The index is considered a leading indicator, and its dynamics are of interest to investors, since it allows them to predict the Bank of Japan's further steps in monetary policy. Currently, most experts expect several interest rate adjustments before the end of the year if the economic situation is not seriously complicated by the increase in trade tariffs from the United States. Thus, the prospect of further tightening of Japanese monetary policy will continue to support the yen. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.